Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about the claim by the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, that the federal government was being benevolent in suspending the River State Governor Simi Fubara through the imposition of state of emergency, saying that has saved the man from being impeached. In other words, those who don't want Fubara to be impeached ought to be clapping for the federal government for its illegal removal of Simi Fubara from office. Nothing could be further from the truth. The truth of the matter remains, based on what was available, the information available as at the time the federal government declared a state of emergency, does not indicate that they did Simi Fubara any favor by helping him to evade impeachment. The truth remains that while the Wike lawmakers, by their number, 27, had the number to be able to impeach Simi Fubara by a simple two-thirds, they didn't have the support of the Chief Judge of River State, Simon Amade. Simon Amade was a stumbling block to their carrying out their impeachment process, because the impeachment was going nowhere without Simon Amade. Simon Amade, by law, will be the person recognized by the Constitution to form a panel to investigate the notice of impeachment that they raised against Simi Fubara and his deputy. And they know that it's not going to work without him. In fact, that was the reason why they invited the DSS, or Department of State Service, to investigate the Chief Judge of River State, Simon Amade, alleging that the man falsified his age, accusing him of age falsification, to see how they can be able to take him out of the picture. So if there is anything, what the federal government did was to help the Wike camp to achieve what they couldn't achieve through impeachment, by suspending him for 6 months, and also threatening that after that 6 months, they would decide whether to go ahead and add another extra 6 months. At the end of the day, what was the length of tenure of Simi Fubara? He was elected by the people of River State to serve for 4 years, uninterrupted, just like Tinubu was elected to serve for 4 years. And you are telling us that you did him a favor by suspending him and helped him from not being impeached. No, it doesn't show that you don't love Simi Fubara more than Rivers people. Even the speech by the president in announcing the emergency, state of emergency in Rivers, was so against Simi Fubara that there is no way that what they did was to favor Simi Fubara in any shape or form. What they did, in fact, if we were to look at it from the perspective they now presented it, is that they helped Wike and the Wike lawmakers to get what they couldn't get through the Constitution, through the process of impeachment as allowed in the Constitution. That was why it was said, I have not seen it, but it was said that even the Wike lawmakers were celebrating their removal from office. Can you beat that? Why should lawmakers be celebrating, or alleged to be celebrating, the imposition of state of emergency that suspended them, that took away their right through election, that the people put them to go and superintend over their affairs? They are celebrating that right was taken away. If that didn't tell you anything, that there's a conspiracy between the federal government and the Wike camp in this matter, then nothing will tell you anything. So I don't buy that story by the Attorney General and Minister of Justice that this thing they did, they were being benevolent to, it is to the advantage of Simi Fubara. No, it's not to this advantage of Simi Fubara. It's to the advantage of Professor Wike camp. That was why they are celebrating. That was why they are not complaining. You look at those who are complaining. Those who are complaining are those on the Simi Fubara side. Just like King Solomon, when he wanted to divide the baby. Who are those complaining about the baby? Who was the person saying, go ahead and slaughter the baby? Who said slaughter the baby? And who said allow the baby to grow up? You will remember who born him or her. So that tells you an indication of those who benefited from what is going on. So I don't think that the Attorney General of the Federation, Fagbemi, senior advocate of Nigeria, with all due respect, he can't tell that kind of story to Nigerians. Nigeria is made up of reasonable men, and most Nigerians will not buy into that kind of story that they save Simi Fubara. They are the do-gooders. How can they be do-gooders when they have thwarted the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and destroyed democracy, even if it is temporary in River State, by imposing a sole administrator that, according to the 2004 Supreme Court judgment, is unknown to law. And they are now releasing the allocations of the states to this sole administrator. Okay, the Supreme Courts, they said that they base according to the Attorney General, they base the suspension on the Supreme Court judgment. But I have taken my time to look at some of the things the Supreme Court said. There was nowhere they said that the federal government should take extrajudicial action to enforce that judgment. So it is not true. I think that most reasonable Nigerians will not buy it. But this video is just for us to, talk about it. Those of us who are in this channel, please, what do you think about the Attorney General's statement that while people are making noise about the removal of Simi Fubara illegally, as have been confirmed by numerous lawyers in this country, that it was removed illegally, that the thing actually saved Fubara from being impeached. According to the Attorney General, he was saying that if Fubara had been impeached, it would have been for throughout his tenure. Now they have suspended him. It was only for 6 months. Do you buy into that kind of analysis? Do you buy into that kind of gimmick that they are playing with Nigerian minds? What do you think? What is your position? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you.